Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast, the place where learning English feels simple, natural, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Adam. Today we're going to do something really useful. Have you ever struggled when someone asks you, "So, how was your day?"
Exactly. It sounds so easy, but sometimes we just don't know what to say, or we give very short answers.
Don't worry, because in this episode, we'll show you how to talk about your day in English, step by step, with natural conversations you can actually use.
So stay with us, practice along, and by the end, you'll feel ready to share your day confidently in English.
So, let's begin.
Adam, how was your day today?
My day was pretty good, thank you. I woke up early this morning, around 7 a.m. The first thing I did was make myself a cup of tea. I usually drink tea before starting anything because it helps me feel awake and ready. After that, I went for a short walk outside. The weather was really fresh and I enjoyed listening to the birds. See how I didn't just say, "good" or "fine"? I added details. That makes conversations more interesting.
That sounds nice. What did you do after your walk?
After my walk, I came back home and had breakfast. I ate 2 boiled eggs and some toast with butter. I also had another cup of tea. Yes, I love tea. Breakfast is very important for me because it gives me energy for the day. Then I sat down to check my emails and messages. I work online, so I usually start my workday around 9 a.m. Notice I used "I had breakfast" instead of "I take breakfast." That's the correct way in English.
Oh, so you started working early. What kind of work did you do today?
Yes, I started around 9. Today I had to write some reports and attend 2 online meetings. In the meetings, we discussed our plans for the next week. Honestly, meetings can sometimes be boring, but I try to participate and share my ideas. After finishing the reports, I took a small break around noon. A good phrase here is, "I had to." It shows something was necessary or part of your responsibility.
And what did you eat for lunch?
For lunch, I had rice with some vegetables and chicken curry. It was delicious. Usually, I like to eat something light for lunch, but today I was really hungry because of all the work in the morning. After lunch, I felt a little sleepy, so I lay down on the sofa for about 20 minutes, just a short nap.
Many people say, "I sleep," but a natural way to say it is, "I take a nap." That's a nice routine. Did you do anything interesting in the afternoon?
Yes, in the afternoon, I went to the gym. I tried to exercise at least 4 times a week. Today, I did some weight training and a little bit of running on the treadmill. Exercise helps me feel active and reduces stress. After the gym, I came back home and took a shower. Then I worked on a new project for about 2 hours.
Useful phrase, "I tried to." It shows a habit you are making an effort to do. Sounds productive. What about the evening?
In the evening, I met one of my friends for coffee. We went to a small cafe near my house. We talked about our week, shared some jokes, and planned a weekend trip. Spending time with friends is really important because it helps me relax and feel happy. After that, I came home, had a light dinner, just soup and bread, and then watched a movie. Instead of only saying, "I met my friend," I explained what we did. That makes conversation richer and more natural.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m., but before sleeping, I like to read a book or listen to some soft music. This helps me calm my mind and sleep better.
Today, I plan to read a few pages of a novel I recently started. I think having a night routine is important because it prepares you for the next day. Try using phrases like I usually or before sleeping to make your sentences longer.
That's a full and healthy day. If you had to describe your day in 3 words, what would they be?
Let me think. I'd say productive, relaxing, and balanced. Productive because I completed my work. Relaxing because I met my friend and enjoyed some time outside. Balanced because I did both work and exercise. This is a great practice tip. Try to summarize your day with 2 to 3 words. It helps you focus on the main idea.
I love that. Do you have any tips for our listeners on how they can practice talking about their day in English?
Yes, of course. Here are 3 tips. 1. Add details. Don't just say, my day was good. Talk about what you did step by step. 2. Use time words like in the morning, after lunch, in the evening. These make your story clear. And 3. Be natural. Don't translate too much from your native language. Just imagine you were telling a story to a friend.
If you practice every day by telling yourself or even recording yourself, you'll become more fluent quickly.
That's very helpful, Anna. I hope our listeners will try it today.
Yes, and don't worry if your English isn't perfect. The goal is to communicate. Even simple sentences are powerful if you use them with confidence.
So, friends, this was today's episode, talking about your day. We hope you enjoyed the conversation and learned some new expressions.
Remember, try to talk about your own day tonight before you sleep. Just practice for 5 minutes. Trust me, it will help you think in English.
Thank you for listening. We'll see you in the next episode of the Adam and Anna podcast. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Like, share, and subscribe to the Adam and Anna podcast. Keep practicing and stay confident.